Battle Gods movie and Dragon Ball Super Broly showing. Next, we have Horrible, Vegeta's younger brother, who everyone forgets.
Go morning.
What is Earthquake?
Battle of Gods
IDK.
Dragon Ball Super Broly, showing that he's still canon. So in total, 9 Saiyans survived. If you're commenting about Onyo and Honey from Necromon,
What? IDK.
Wait.
Oh, ho, ho, H, A, W, A.